Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to delete your Snapchat account. To start with the process, first open your Snapchat application like this. Click on your profile or Bitmoji. After clicking on your profile or Bitmoji, tap on the little gear icon on the top right corner of the screen and scroll all the way down to click on I need help option. Tap on Managing my account and then on Delete or Reactivate my account. It will show you two options, including how do I delete my Snapchat account and another is how do I reactivate my Snapchat account. Click on How do I delete my Snapchat account that will lead you to the page of instructions that will instruct you to delete your Snapchat account. So if you are on Android or web, click on Account Portal that is highlighted on the page. You should now type your Snap username and password and then press on Continue. After clicking on Continue, your Snapchat account will be deleted. This is how you can delete your Snapchat account easily and quickly. If you have any queries or thoughts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.